Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the classes section. This is methods. At this point, we have a dog class that spins up objects with name and behavior properties. Below, we will add getters and a method to bring our class to life. Class method and getter syntax is the same as it is for objects, except you cannot include commas between methods. Here we have our class dog. Constructor takes a name, then it does this dot name properties with name assigned to it, this dot behavior properties with 0 assigned to it. Get name method returns this dot name, get behavior returns this dot behavior, then we increment behavior by 1. In the example above, we add getter methods for name and behavior. Notice we also prepended our property names with underscores, which indicates these properties should not be accessed directly. Under the getters, we add a method named increment behavior. When you call increment behavior on a dog instance, it adds 1 to the behavior property. Between each of our methods, we did not include commas. Our instructions say, in the surgeon constructor, prepend the name and department properties with an underscore. Let's do that now. Run it. We pass. 2 says, inside of the constructor, add a property named remaining vacation days and set it equal to 20. Let's do that here. Run it. We pass. 3 says, under the constructor, create a getter called name that returns the value saved to name. Let's do that here. Run it. We pass. 4 says, under the name getter, create a getter called department that returns the value saved to department. And we would do that here. Remember, no commas. Run it. We pass. 5 says, under the department getter, create a getter called remaining vacation days that returns the value saved to remaining vacation days. Let's do it here. Run it. We pass. 6 says, under the remaining vacation days getter, create a method called take vacation days that accepts one argument named days off. Inside of the method, subtract days off from the number saved to remaining vacation days. Set remaining vacation days to the result. And the hint here says class methods are created with the following syntax. So we're going to be doing something similar to this. Let's do it here. And this one is not a getter method. It just says create a method. So we won't use get. Let's do it now. Run it. And we do pass. So we're learning how to create methods. And the biggest thing that we learned is that class method and getter syntax is the same. The difference being we do not include commas between methods. And that's exemplified in our code here. Each different method doesn't have a comma after it, and it still works when we create this class. So when creating classes, under our constructor, when we create our methods, we need to make sure that those do not include commas. That's what they want you to understand in this lesson. As long as you understand that, you guys are getting it, and I'll see you in the next one.